Hey everybody, and welcome to another viral video tutorial. In this video we are gonna show you how to create notifications reminders automatically in Action. Before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notification. Let's get started. So here we have a couple of payments. Couple bills. We have our electric bills, water bills, internet bills, rent, milk, EMI, and each of these that has a specific due date. And what we are gonna want to do is, let's say we want to highlight the particular cell that has due date, get to paid for. So we'll select our columns here, and you can select the whole things if you want to. I will just highlight those cells, go to conditional formatting, and then new rule, and click use the formula. And let's say we want to highlight it hit OK, and OK, you will see that nothing changes. But if our rent, let's see today's date, now changes. Here is our today's days, and here we can see the reminder that it shows our date is due in this rent. And if you change here also, suppose I kept here today's date, then also you can see the changes. So this is a very good starting point. You can change the rule. So this has been a viral video tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.